What are we doing today, Owen?
We're gonna take the caps off of the...
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep. So now we got the cap off.
Okay.
And now you're going to get the lug nuts off. Make sure it's set on there. Let her rip. Now you got to remove the axle. There you go. So we got the lock nut released, and now you got to take the lock nut off of there. And keep spinning it around.
Like it's spinning
Yeah, it might hang up every once in a while, but you should be able to spin that. Yep. Get it to where you can get it with your fingers, and then just unscrew it with your fingers. There you go. You're gonna have to grab it now.
Yeah.
There you go. Okay, now take that right there.
This?
And then you gotta fish the lock ring. Nope, the lock ring out of there.
What's that? This?
Yep, you'll see a little, there you go. Yep. Get on the other side of it. There you go. And you gotta get on the other side of it. And just work its way off. There you go. Now grab it with your fingers. Just grab it with your fingers, you can pull it out. Here. Just like that. Yep. All right, so we got another lock nut in there you gotta unscrew too. See it? Get it where you can get it with your fingers, and it's easier to do than that screwdriver. There you go. Put that one down. Now you got to remember how you took them out. You have a backing washer that you need to get out of there. You see it?
Yeah, I see it.
It's going to have a groove that's settled in the groove right here. And you need to pull that all the way out.
What do you like?
Just work it with that. So that's the backing washer right there. So you got to reach. Yep. There you go. There you go.
We have the drum noose. Now we're gonna pull it off. Use as much as we need.
There we go.
Removing the drum from the hub by removing the wheel studs.
Two left. Getting the new hub out of the, or the new drum out of the box. Might be too heavy for you, buddy.
Yeah. There it is.
There it is. So what happened?
Too big.
We got. They gave us the wrong size, huh?
Yeah.
So now we get to go back to AutoZone and get the right size. Well, what happened when we took the hubs back?
You have to pay for it. Can't treat it.
They had to order the drums in there.
Yeah.
Yep. What did we end up getting? Now we're gonna head back and take the other side apart. Right? Yep.
The axles removed and the drums removed. Now we're waiting for the new drums to come in to be continued.